Understand the course of fire?
Yep.
Make ready. Are you ready? Stand by. If finished, unload and show clear. Clear, slide forward, hammer down, holster.
That's a good run, dude.
Shit, pretty good.
Thank you. I saw I hit a charty, so I made a makeup shot on that one.
Clean run. That was clean, dude. I think that was 100%.
I got kind of lost right here, but say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
Make ready.
Instead of having to do this awkward.
Yeah. That's with the sideways instead of having to turn.
decent compared
Just being ready here and just
Yeah.
kind of sliding this one over a little bit.
That's what the videos I was watching was saying we're going to do.
Right there, then back and just get it going.
Oh shit. Might as well just take that off, but whatever. Okay.
Are you ready? Stand by. If finished, unload and show clear.
That was a nightmare.
Clear, slide forward, hammer down, holster. 4072.
Good recovery though. That was a good, honestly, you did the classic.
I had a feeling. My mag dropped out. Unprecedented.
Is it not seating?
That one didn't seat. Cause like I think I hit the mag release when I. This one.
Did he go already?
Alec, yeah.
Oh.
There. That's good.
It felt good.
Yeah, I like that. I'm weird about ending the round.
Motherfucker.
But when I'm right there, I'm real close. Are you ready? Yep. Stand by.
Where's my dog? Ah, motherfucker.
I think my first competition, you know, it's
Big Mac.
If finished, unload and show clear. Clear, slide forward, hammer down, holster. 4976.
Thank you.
How was he? All right? You hear me yell? I was like, change mag.
Well, my plan was to change mags after this target.
Yeah.
Thanks, Biggie. You're the best. Make ready. Are you ready? Stand by. If finished, unload and show clear.
Forgot
Clear.
that it was 3.
Slide forward, hammer down, holster. Yeah, you remember before you were done. Time 3, 1, 2, 4.
What happened?
I'll take
I
it.
forgot.
engage both in the beginning?
I forgot that it was 3, not 2.
Oh, okay. But you can engage both the targets, correct?
Yes.
Like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks.
Still got D class.
Okay, I'll take it. It's only my second match, so.
Most people start DC and then kind of work their way up.
Yep.
When you start figuring out how to change little things.
Yeah.
Nice run.
But again,
Thank you.
if the gun
Way to
isn't
fix that.
malfunctioning,
Way
you
to
probably
fix
would've
that
been like D
malfunction.
class.
That was good.
I forgot to shoot 3 instead of 2 as well, but
That's what's annoying is like every other time it's 2, you know?
Yeah.
So it's like difficult to get that. But that was a good clear. That was great.
thank you. I appreciate it. Good thing I practiced those, I guess.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Ready?
Are you shooting jello shots?
No, it's just the Federal Syntech.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Nice.
But they have 2. They have like the purple one
Yeah.
and the red one.
okay.
I haven't had any issues with the red one, but I have had malfunctions with the purple.
Okay. Yeah.
So I don't know.
Ready?
Because these are OEM mags
Yeah, just with the
with the
tarantactical.
Terrans. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sick.
Thank you.
That looks good.
Appreciate it.
How many gifts did you get me?
How many what?
Gifts.
I don't know.
I
A
need to
lot.
know how many to get you.
I got you a lot.
How
You don't have
many's
to
a
get
lot?
me a lot.
Huh?
You don't have to get me a lot.
I feel bad. I'm poor.
I might just start doing 22. I think that's causing an issue as well.
Stressing me out.
Me?
No, your gifts.
Oh.
Okay, make ready. One foot on each X.
Oh.
Are you ready? Stand by. If finished, unload and show clear. Clear, slide forward, hammer down, holster. Time 3, 5, 5.
Dude, nice. That was clean as fuck, dude. That looked good. I think you got like almost all alphas on that.
I hope so.
I'm serious. On this side, it was all alphas.
Appreciate it, bro.
I tried to hit all that one. Ready?
Yep.
You can make ready.
Okay.
Yeah. Are you ready? Stand by. If finished, unload and show clear. Clear, slide forward, hammer down, holster. Time. 42.90. Yep.
That was almost good.
That was good.
Nice.
It wasn't bad.
Just had a mag malfunction again for the 18th time today.
Is that just overfilled or what?
Well, I think it was overfilled, so I took one round out, and I thought it would help.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, that tape fell off. You got to stop.
bullshit.
Actually did just fall off. That was good.
Well, I mean, I still got two either way.
You shot two.
More points.
I see what's happening here, dude. You're making this shit fucking happen.
Alright guys, so a little debrief here. This was my second USPSA match ever. So a couple things I did. I was very slow. That affected my score a lot. My whole goal with this match was to shoot more accurately, because my first match I shot a lot of the no-shoots. So I occluded my dot, and I had been dry firing a lot with an occluded dot, just to make sure that I was aiming properly, looking at the target and not the dot this time. So I wish I should have had shot faster, but like I said, I'm just happy that I was more accurate with my targets. I had mostly alphas. I think I had a total of 3 mics for the entire match, so not bad. I also had a lot of mag issues. Concerning the mag issue, because as you can see in the video, I was struggling a lot. I don't blame that on the mag. It wasn't the mag itself, it wasn't me hitting the mag release, I was overloading the mags. Because when you purchase Tarantactical, these 6-round extensions, it says 5 or 6 rounds. So I need to take them apart, clean them, load them a few times over and over again to work in that spring so it can take 6 rounds. Because it was taking 5 comfortably, but not 6. Also, I believe it was that second to last or last stage, one of the mags dropped out. That was me. I didn't fully seat the mag in when I was reloading. So if you're looking into buying those types of mags, there's not an issue with them. That was completely on me. Go follow all my social medias, Hatch Concepts, Instagram, X, YouTube, Facebook. I'm working on a website right now. Currently waiting on my FFL to come back approved. But other than that, I hope you enjoy the video.